In this video, I will tell you more about NetSuite bundles and how to install them. What you need to know is that NetSuite bundles are packages of customizations, scripts, and configurations that can be installed into NetSuite accounts to extend or modify the system's functionality. These bundles can be created by users to share configurations between different NetSuite environments, or distributed by Oracle NetSuite as standard packages for common business needs. NetSuite bundles are not a shared marketplace like you might be used with the official Suite app with the official NetSuite partners such as Kolleno, but it's a feature within NetSuite that allows users to package and distribute custom solutions. They can be accessed through Suite Bundler, a tool in NetSuite that helps manage the installation and updates of these bundles, while some bundles are publicly available for any NetSuite user to install. Others might be private and only shared within specific organizations or with selected clients. So just before I show you exactly how to install, please subscribe to the video and have a look at the other tutorials I did about installing a Suite app. To install a Suite bundle, I will go in Customization, Suite Bundler, Search and Install Bundles. And then I will type a keyword, for example email, then I click on Search. And here I have a bunch of Suite bundles. You can see some of them are official NetSuite and some of them were provided by third parties. So I will click on the first one, Electronic Invoicing. And here I can see the details of these Suite bundles. I can see the languages for the localization, who's the provider. Here you can see the company. And then you can see the description, components, and the Suite app info if it's a Suite app. But in that case, it's not a Suite app, so you won't have any information here. So you see the components. And if I go to Suite app, you see it's not a Suite app. So yeah, so that's it. And then you just click install. Yes, I want to proceed. It then redirects you to this page with all the details about the bundle install for electronic invoicing. You can review and then you finalize it by installing the bundle. And that's it. It redirects you and now you can see the install bundle here. You can see the status is still pending. Can take another few minutes, but I won't make you wait. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you for the next one. Bye bye.